Hello guys, this is my new shoes I order online. I buy this in Foot Mall. This is original shoes made in Thailand. Vietnam. Made in Vietnam. But when this afternoon, this evening he arrived, I check this. See, look. This is not original guys, this is fake Jordan. See, this is fake. See, so the other buyer online, I see the comment in Foot Mall, they want to buy mini shoes like this. But guys, don't buy their shoes. This is very dangerous shoes. See, this is not original, this is fake. This is fake Jordan. Fake